For all those people who want to pursue higher studies abroad, I would say that yeah, it's a great experience to go abroad, first, especially for studies, because the moment you land here in a foreign country, it there's so much to learn from your experience, from everything you want, be it the culture, be it the education system, be it anything technical or non-technical. Everything is just such. There is such a so much scope for learning. Like mm, the education system is very good. Like if you talk about technically, everything is like up to date, everything is in sync with the industry, and you get so much to learn here. It's not like a simple book studies, like you have so many projects, and those projects are not like outdated or like previous just for research work. It's not like that. It's like industry based project, like the thing that are being done in the industry, the tools that are being used in the industry, and every such things, every such topics, research topics, future topics are being the topics of discussion for the projects, for your labs, for a thesis. Everything is like up to date. And apart from the academics, also the life here is very different from what we experience in our home country, because you got to do everything for yourselves. It's like from the basic stuff like cooking, cleaning, uh, shopping, which we are not used to doing in our country. It's like a different experience, and it makes a complete person out of you. It makes you a complete human being. It makes you self independent, and that's what the biggest achievement you achieve while you come here abroad, because you make new friends and you learn new culture. Your vision broadens and you explore the places, and it's like a different experience altogether. It can't be expressed much in words, but it can be felt. And when you do all such things, and when you go along the way and you follow that path, you learn a lot. It's a great